Namaste. In the last class, you have studied subtraction with regrouping and mental addition and subtraction. Now, we are going to discuss about word problems based on addition and subtraction. See the question. Samir sold 1265 oranges and 2244 apples. First question, find the total number of fruits he sold. Then second question, find the difference between the number of oranges and apples he sold. See, what's the meaning of this question? See the first, Samir sold 1265 oranges. How many oranges Samir sold? 1265 oranges. Then how many apples he sold? 2244 apples. Okay. Then what is the first question? Find the total number of fruits he sold. Find the total of these apples and oranges. Total means addition. Here total means addition. Okay. So you have to find the total of these two numbers, 1265 and 2244. Total of these oranges and apples. Then see the second question. Find the difference between the number of oranges and apples he sold. Difference means subtraction. Okay, subtraction. Subtract, what are the numbers? Subtract oranges and apples. Difference between oranges and apples. This means this bigger number minus smaller number. Okay, that is the difference between these two fruits. Okay, now you say how to write the steps. This is a step problem, word problem, isn't it? How to write the step. See, first you see what is given in this question. What is given? 1265 oranges. That is given, and 2244 apples. That one also given. So, first you write number of oranges is equal to 1265 and number of apples is equal to 2244. See the steps. Number of oranges is equal to 1265. Number of apples is equal to 2244. What is the question number A? Total number of oranges and apples. Here total means addition. So we have to add these two numbers. Question number A. Answer of question number A. Total number of oranges and apples is equal to, add these two numbers. Okay, 1265 plus 2244 is equal to, add these two numbers. See, 1265 plus 2244. Now, see, 5 plus 4, what is the answer? 9. Then 6 plus 4, 10. That 0 is here, 1 is balance, isn't it? Then 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. Then 1 plus 2, 3. What is the answer? 3509 fruits. Okay, 3509 fruits. Total number of fruits is equal to 3509 fruits. What is the question number B? Find the difference between these two fruits. See, question number B. Difference between the number of oranges and apples is equal to this bigger number minus smaller number. 2244 minus 1265. Then find the difference. Subtract. 2244 minus 1265. See, 4 minus 5. Is it possible? No. So we take 1 from left side. Here left side 4 is here. After taking 1, this 4 becomes 3. Then this 1's place. Already 4 was there. After taking this 1, that 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 5, 9. 9 is the answer. Then 10's place. 3 minus 6. Is it possible? No. Again we take 1 from left side. After taking 1, balance is 1. In 100's place, after taking 1, the balance is 1. And the 10's place become, after taking 1, the 10's place become 13. 13 minus 6, what is the answer? Yes, 7. Then, this 1 minus 2, is it possible? No. So, we take 1 from left side. After taking 1, this 1000's place becomes 1 and this 100's place become 11. 11 minus 2, what is the answer? 9. This 1 minus 1 is 0. What is the answer? Here, if 0 is before a number, that 0 becomes no value. That 0 has no value, isn't it? Here, what is the answer? 979 fruits. That is the answer. See the next question. There were 9,758 people watching a performance on Independence Day. 5,302 of them were adults. The rest were children. How many fewer children were there than adults? Okay. What is the meaning of this question? See, 9,758 people watching performance on Independence Day. In Independence Day, how many people watching the performance? 9,758 people watching the performance. Then, next one. In that one, 5,302 of them were adults. 5,302 of them were adults. Then rest were children. Balance is children. Then, how many fewer children were there than adults? What is meant by fewer? Fewer means less. How many less children when comparing to these adults? How many less children comparing to these adults? Also write steps from this problem. See, first, what is given? Here, total number of people is given, isn't it? So, total number of people is equal to 9,758. Then, number of adults, how many? 5,302. Then, after that, we have to find the number of children. Then, finally, how many fewer children were there than adults? How many less children are there in comparing to these adults? How many less children? That is the question. Okay. Total number of people is equal to 9,758 and number of adults is equal to 5,302. Then number of children, that is not given in the question, that we have to find. See, total is given. One set of people is given. We have to find other set. How to find? Subtract this total from this one set of people, isn't it? See, total 9,758 minus 5,302 is equal to, how to find? 9,758 minus 5,302. 8 minus 2, 6. 5 minus 0, 5. 7 minus 3, 4. Then 9 minus 5, 4. What is the answer? 4,456. 4,456 children. Here we found the number of children, that is 4,456. Already the number of adults is given in the question. See, number of adults how many? 5,302. Number of children 4,456. Which one is more? Number of adults is more. Which one is less? Number of children is less. How many less children comparing to these adults? How many less children is here? That is the question. How to find that less? We have to subtract this 5,302 minus 4,456. Here we are going to find difference between adults and children. This way we have to find the fewer children. Comparing to these adults, this way we have to find the fewer children. See, 5,302 minus 4,456. 5,302 minus 4,456. This 2 minus 6, is it possible? No. So we take 1 from this tens place. See, tens place only 0. So we can't take 1. So we move to hundreds place. Hundreds place 3 is there. After taking 1, 3 becomes 2. After taking 1, this tens place becomes 0. After taking 1 from this tens place, the tens place become 9 and 1's place become 12. 12 minus 6, answer is 6. Here, 9 minus 5, answer is 4. Then, 2 minus 4, is it possible? No. So, we move to next place, that is thousands place. After taking 1, the thousands place become 4 and the hundreds place become 12. 12 minus 4, 8. 4 minus 4, 0. Here, what is the answer? 846. When a 0 is before a number, that 0 has no value, isn't it? So, 846 children. So, 846 fewer children were there than adults. That is the answer. The last question. A cafe sold 2,850 cups of coffee and 480 fewer cups of tea than coffee on Saturday. How many cups of coffee and tea did it sell on Saturday in all? See, what is the meaning of this question? Cafe sold 2,850 cups of coffee. A cafe sold how many cups of coffee? 2,850 cups of coffee. Then, how many cups of tea? That is not given. Only given 480 fewer cups. 480 less cup comparing to this coffee. Okay, then in that we have to find the number of teas also. Number of coffees is given. We have to find number of teas from this data. Okay, then after that, how many cups of coffee and tea did it sell on Saturday? After that, we have to find total number of tea and coffee. That is addition. How to find number of teas? number of coffees minus this fewer cups. That means 2850 minus 480. That way we get the number of teas. So number of coffee and number of teas are there. After that we have to find the total of this coffee and tea. That is addition. Here subtraction, here addition. Okay, how to find the number of teas? Number of coffees are given. Number of coffees are given. So that is 2850. The number of teas is equal to the number of coffees minus fewer cups of tea is equal to 2850 minus 480. 0 minus 0, answer is 0. 5 minus 8, is it possible? No. So we take 1 from left side, that is hundreds place. After taking 1, the hundreds place becomes 7. The tens place become 15. 15 minus 8, 7. 7 is the answer. Then 7 minus 4, answer is 3. Here 2. What is the answer? Number of teas is equal to 2370 cups. Okay. After that, we have to find the total of this number of teas and number of coffees. Total means add these two numbers. See, total number of teas and coffees is equal to 2850 plus 2370. And 2850 plus 2370. Find the total. See, 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 7, 5 plus 7, what is answer? Yes, 12. 2, 1 is balance. Then 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 2, 1 is balance. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. That is 5220 is the answer. Today we have learned word problems based on addition and subtraction. Okay. Now the time to wind up. Namaste.